Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ZenFone Zoom, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and all we have to do is to tap on the settings icon in the left upper corner. Now for faster access, simply tap on this second icon, and as you can see here we've got the video quality, so let's tap on it. In this device we've got three different options. Currently we've got the full HD option applied, but we can set also HD and TV. It's up to you, simply tap on the option and it will be immediately applied, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen quality whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.